Today I'm working on a 2012 Porsche Cayenne. This one has the 3.6 liter VR6. Just talking about a common problem you see with these. Customer's complaint is the idle was kind of high and it seems like it's running rough. I scanned it, had a bunch of misfire faults along with lean running faults. If you, with the car in idle, if you crack the oil filler cap and you try to pull it off, and it's near impossible to pull off the motor, this is what you have going on. There's an oil separator back here that's kind of built onto the valve cover assembly. On this particular engine, it's a little bit of a fight because you have to pull the intake assembly off, and it's not a two-piece one, so it's a little bit more complicated. You have to work way down there to get it out of the way. But once that's out of the way, it's a piece of cake. Just a big plastic valve cover assembly. You have to replace the whole thing. It has the breather built into the back of it, and it'll take care of your problem. There's a diaphragm in there that tears, much like all these other, Volkswagens and Audis and BMWs, and they all kind of use a similar setup. And yeah, so this one is not overly serviceable. There's no repair kit or anything like that. You just have to replace the whole valve cover assembly. So lean running faults, the idle is high, it's also rough, misfires, stuff like that. Check this. If you can't pull this cap off with the engine at an idle, if it's stuck down really hard like this is, then this is what you got going on. Thanks for watching.